Geo Dictionary by Miley. Plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends forever. Example, my countertop. Point. A point name is a location in space. A, B are points in a plane, shown with a dot. Read point A and point B. Write AB. Line. A line is straight. It is a set of points that extends forever in opposite directions. Read line GH or line HG. Write GH or HG. And don't forget your arrows that continue on forever. Line segment is a part of a line between two endpoints. Read line segment DE or line segment ED. Write DE or ED with the line over it. Rays. A ray is a part of a line that starts on an endpoint. A ray goes on forever in one direction. Read ray KJ. Read the endpoint first. Write KJ with an arrow over it, just like a ray of sunshine. Angle. An angle is formed by two rays with the same endpoint. The ray formed by the sides of an angle. The common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. When you name an angle with three letters, the vertex is always the middle letter. Read angle Q, angle PQR, or angle RQP. Write angle sine Q, or angle sine PQR, or angle sine RQP. Right angle forms a square and measures 90 degrees. You can measure in degrees using a protractor. Measure an angle by measuring the distance between the sides. Right angle forms a square corner, measures 90 degrees. Acute angle, just like a right angle but measures less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle is a straight line that measures exactly 180 degrees. Intercepting lines, lines that meet or cross at a common point. A, B, and C, D intersect at point E. Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines that form four right angles. Read line FG is perpendicular to line HI. I know this because there's upside down T in between the lines. Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that never intersect. Read line KL is parallel to line MN. Write this with KL with two little lines in the middle and then write MN. Circle. A circle is a plane figure. All the points on the circle are the same distance from a given point called the center. Point A is the center of circle A. A circle is named by its center point. Radius. A line segment with endpoints at the center of the circle and on the center. BE is the radius of circle B. BC and BD is also radii, plural of radius of circle B. Any line segment that passes through the center of a circle and has both endpoints on the circle is a diameter. CD is a diameter. The length of a diameter is always twice the length of a radius. Chord. Any line segments with both endpoints on the circle is a chord. A diameter is a special chord, but not all chords are diameters. A simple closed curve is a path that begins and ends at the same point and does not cross itself. These are examples of closed curves. Polygon are closed plane figures with straight sides that do not cross. Two sides of a polygon form an angle when they meet at a common endpoint called a vertex. Polygon means many angles. These are regular polygons because they each have a side of equal length of an angles of equal measures. Parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel and have the same length. Identical marks authenticate shows sides of the figure. A rectangle also has opposite sides that are parallel, and they are the same length. All the angles of the rectangle are right angles. Square. A square has opposite sides that are parallel, and its sides are the same length. All the angles of the square are right angles. Rhombus has opposite sides that are parallel. All four sides are the same length. Trapezoid. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Triangle. A figure with three straight sides with three angles. Right triangles. All right triangles have one right angle. All isosceles triangles have at least two sides that are equal in length. Some isosceles triangles are also right triangles. Equilateral triangles. All sides are equal in length. Scalene triangles. None of the sides are equal in length. Similar figures. Similar figures have exactly the same shape. They may or not be the same size. Congruent figures have the same shape and same size. Slides and flips. A slide or translation is a movement of a figure along a line without flipping or turning. A flip or reflection is a movement of a figure over a line so that the figure faces on the opposite direction. Turns. A turn or a rotation is a movement of a figure around a point. A full turn measures 360 degrees.